Hi everyone! Today I'm doing 3 looks 1 palette with the Red Dragon palette. It's a collaboration with Judy and Oden's Eye. I'm so excited to have finally received these in the mail and started working on them. I personally find this palette to definitely be the most neutral and easy to use of the 3. I found that my looks kind of all did look pretty similar to each other, but that is the nice thing about this palette, is that it makes it very easy to use. So I think this is going to be a great staple fall palette if you guys are interested in something like that. I love the colors that she picked, and personally I find the Oden's Eye matte formula to be pretty decent. It's workable and easy. It's not the best and it's certainly not the worst, but where they really shine is definitely going to be their metallics. I find Oden's Eye has beautiful metallics, so for me this collection was definitely worth it. I am just so excited to finally have these in my hands. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to be doing 3 looks with all the palettes. So yeah, this is just the first one I wanted to do because I just was so excited for Judy. I am just so happy for her. I know she's always dreamed of doing something like this, and it's just so nice to have such a diverse set of representation for this collaboration. Oden's Eye did such a fantastic job. This first look is the softest of the 3, and I added in a bit of that green shade just for a little bit of kind of color interest. As you can see, it is just a very simple and easy look. I know Judy uses eyeshadow as eyeliner a lot, so for the first 2 looks I am using the eyeshadow as eyeliner. When the eyeshadow is eyeliner, you can really draw the wing out a lot longer and it still looks softer, so you can see I really extended the wing to elongate my eyes, and overall it just creates a really pretty effect. I am using these lashes from the Doe and Jessica collaboration. These are adorable lashes. They are a mix of brown and black fibers. They are so unique, and definitely to me it feels really innovative, honestly. And you can see with this soft look just how beautiful these lashes look. I definitely recommend them, and I personally think I'm gonna pick up a few more pairs. Hopefully they haven't sold out yet. These are just really nice lashes and they hold up so well on my monolids. You can just see they just look so pretty with this look. The second look is a little bit more intense. I'm going to be using this red shade as the point color, but overall it's just kind of more of an intensified version of the first look. As I said earlier, this palette is not going to give you a super diverse set of looks, but that is kind of why it's such an easy and great palette to use. All the colors go super well with each other, and no matter what combinations you pick, you are sure to get something that you like. This is more of an orange red. It's not a true red, but it's still really pretty. It's not going to make you look like you have an eye infection when you use it. So I'm just taking this and just kind of just slapping it all over my upper and lower lash line. I do want to deepen it up, make it a little bit more dramatic, so I'm going to create a vertical gradient using this dark brown shade here. You can see that they blend out really easily into each other. I know she said in her video that she can see why the metallics look similar, but they are very different. However, I do find the metallics in this palette to all look pretty similar to each other. I couldn't really see any visible differences once they were on the eyelids, so I do kind of wish that those 3 metallics were a little bit more different from each other. That's probably my only real gripe with this palette, is that the red toned metallics all honestly look a lot more similar to each other than they swatch. Once they're on the eyelid, they all just kind of look the same. But, you know, that's alright. It really doesn't bother me that much. It just makes the palette even more easy to use. I am doing shadow liner again. It just looks so good. This color is just so great for shadow liner, and the shadow liner just adds such a nice touch to the eyeshadow. And then I do want it to be a little bit darker, since the eye look overall is pretty dark. And then I popped on some lashes and mascara, and yeah, that's this look. This is probably my favorite of the 3. Lastly, I did want to try doing a cut crease. I haven't done a cut crease in a few months, and I feel like my cut crease skills are honestly pretty mediocre, so I've been trying to practice to get better at doing them. So I am just gonna try it again today. With my monolids and my epicanthic folds, it's kind of hard to cut the crease in a way that looks flattering, especially and also because my eyes are like kind of close together, so I'm experimenting with a different shape of cut today. I don't know how it turned out. I mean, I think it's alright, but I just wanted to try it, and you know, I filmed it for you guys so you guys can kind of see how I'm doing a cut crease on monolids. I don't really use concealer to actually cut the crease because my eyelids are really dry, so I just can't be layering on product like that. So I'm just trying to be as precise as possible with the eyeshadow, and then when I lay on the shimmer, I'll just try and be as careful as possible, basically. I extended out the lower lash line eyeshadow a little bit just to kind of match with the upper lash line. And then I'm going to use just the tiniest bit of NYX's glitter primer instead of concealer, and that way I can just get a nice opaque layer of the shimmer. And as you can see, I'm just being really careful to try and apply it in a clean line. And then I just go back and forth between the mattes and the shimmers to try and, you know, make it look like a cut crease. I saw that Bad to the Brow uses stickers, so I kind of want to try buying those. I know I might buy some. I don't know if those stickers are monolid friendly, but it can't hurt to try. Next, to try and make the cut crease line more obvious, I'm taking a lighter colored metallic and I'm just running it across the very top. And then I thought my outer lash line could use some depth, so I'm just taking this dark brown matte and just gently stamping it on the outer corner. And then for some visual interest, I'm taking that brighter colored metallic and putting it in the gap between my upper and lower lash line in the outer corner. And then I'm just using this shade again as an inner corner highlight. I do feel like this palette lacks a good inner corner highlight besides that shade, but that's fine. Some eyeliner just to finish off the look, and then some lashes. So here's the finished product. I'm not sure if this is the most flattering cut crease shape on me, but I just wanted to try it, you know, keep practicing, try to improve my eyeshadow skills. I do like overall how it turned out. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video.